discussion with our brethren United Naga Council's delegation in Imphal. Around about 6 hours sittings were held today. It was regarding the very unfortunate incident that had happened on 15th of July. During the discussion, COCOMI had expressed its dissatisfaction or anguish over the incident that had happened. And we clarified that that incident was not a mandated incident. And as per the United Naga Council's demand that the culprit should be punished as per the law of the land, we also accepted what the United Naga Council has appealed. And above that, we have agreed to address this issue jointly together and pursue the state government so that necessary steps can be taken up by the government to compensate the unfortunate incident. And COCOMI also took the moral responsibilities of the very unfortunate incident, and we condemned it at the strongest terms. And for the future course of action to not let such kind of incident happen again, we have also mutually agreed to work together so that such kind of incident don't happen again. And today's very wishful and very mature efforts or initiatives or response coming in from the United Naga Council side is overwhelming, and we are very thankful and appreciate the goodwill gestures from the brethren of the Nagas. And we will work together and look forward to maintain the age-old blood-bond relationship between our Naga brothers. And we also appeal to the general public, both among the Métis and the Nagas, that any incident, if happened without the conscience of the United Naga Council and the COCOMI, then we have to handle it together so that any sort of misunderstanding should not happen again in future. Therefore, we also appeal to all the general public that please be little conscious, little sensitive in handling the situation. Mob cannot justify anything. If we have any doubt, maybe among the Nagas or among the Métis, please first contact to responsible organizations and leaders so that we can sort out before anything unwanted happen. Therefore, we appeal all the public in Manipur that what has been happening for the past 70 years, 70 days is not something that we wanted. However, it's going on. Therefore, we appeal that we should restrain as much as possible so that such kind of incident don't happen again in future. Thank you.
Any kind of misunderstanding, stray incidents, and this kind of things from day one of this problem. Till now, we are maintaining in this way, and we will continue to maintain it, and we will continue to bring normalcy to the state. Since this is our concern, so we appealed all the communities living in the state of Manipur to some government to build better understanding and to come forward to bring normalcy. So is a way forward and is a turning point for the Métis community and the Naga as well. The day we heard of this incident was very sad day and very shocking to all of us. But as today we have come to the conclusion, we have resolved the issue, it's been a turning point to all of us. So I also thank the COCOMI for their initiative. So, because of them, these solutions has come into place. With the initiative of COCOMI, UNC and COCOMI sit together and we have resolved that the culprit should be booked, should be arrested and give befitting punishment. The ritual ceremony of Lady Lucy shall be performed according to the custom, for which it will be arranged. All the logistic arrangement will be done from our side, from the government. And we will keep on check all the to ensure the free movement, free passage of all the commuters around the state. And that responsible should be equally taken by COCOMI as well as UNC. UNC has been maintaining with utmost reserve job for the surviving doctor, and also they have given the education security.